Hey guys, just want to make this video because I've been in the roofing industry a while and worked on a lot of different types of roofs, and I've seen horror stories, let me tell you, about people who have ignored the warning signs of a leaking roof. They've neglected to invest money to keep their roof up to date, and they've also not had their roof inspected once a year, which is critical to spot problems that could be, happening. So, there's many reasons why you need a professional roofer to look at your roof periodically, and you need someone that's professional to actually repair it properly. So, you might try to find someone that's maybe not licensed or something like that to repair your roof, but, it's eventually might actually cost more than the professional roofer, because if it's not installed properly, it's possible that damage will occur. And then when that damage starts infecting the framing of your home, it's going to be very expensive. And I've seen that way too many times. So you really need to work with a professional roofer so that you can ensure that your roof is fixed properly. This will ultimately save you money in the long run. So, they also have the appropriate equipment and tools, and they also know the best material to be using for the roof. They know the proper tiles and sealants and all that kind of stuff, tar paper. Additionally, they have experience. They know exactly what to do to get the job done properly. They've been trained for safety. You don't want someone falling off your roof. They're going to sue you. You want to get people that are licensed, and also someone that's going to get your job done on time. You don't want to get stuck with someone that, is going to haphazardly come and do the job, leave it halfway done, it starts raining, you got water coming in your house. I've seen way too many things like that happen. So, don't bother with the unprofessional roofing contractors that are out there. On top of that, you work with a professional roofer, you're going to get a full warranty for the service, and your roof can have up to a 10 to 20 year warranty. It really depends on what you get done. You're going to get quality work and also lasting results. So you just have to make sure you're finding the best possible roofers that are out there. So speaking of which, there is a website that I highly recommend. After all my years doing this, this is something you don't want to skip. The website is called Roof Quote Savings. You go to the site, it's very simple. They connect you with the best top-rated local roofing experts. It only takes about a minute of your time. You enter your zip code and your information about what you need, and what they're going to do is actually send you the best top-rated local roofers in your area to give you quotes. They're going to give you quotes, and you'll be able to compare all those quotes very easily versus you trying to go out and look for different contractors to do these jobs for you. So not only are you going to get accurate and competitive bids, but you'll be able to compare them very easily. So, you'll find contractors do asphalt shingle roofing, metal roofing, or find someone to do an entire roof. And the best part is, Roof Quote Savings doesn't charge a dime. They don't charge anything. It's completely free. They don't ask you for any financial information. All you gotta do is put in your number and stuff like that about the roof you need, your location, your zip code. And there's no obligations, of course. They're gonna match you with the best roofing experts for the project. And then you have the freedom to choose whatever contractor you want. You're not bound by any obligation. And if you're not happy with their quotes, you're not required to do anything. So the reason why I recommend this site too is because, they're an accredited business by the Better Business Bureau, and they've worked with hundreds of roofing companies to provide the top service. So all the roofing pros in their network specialize in all types of roofing projects, such as asphalt, shingle, metal, wood, slate, and any other type of home improvement project. So even if you need someone to do gutters, windows, they also can connect you with those types of contractors. So in many cases, they're really going to get you probably more quotes than you actually need. But the good thing about that is you'll be able to pick the quote that is the best price. It gives you the most service and the best warranty for your project. So whether you're trying to replace the whole roof of your house, whether you're just trying to repair a part that's been damaged, whether you just want someone to come take a look at your roof, which I highly recommend at least once a year, have a professional come out, inspect your roof. It usually doesn't cost anything. So go ahead and go to Roof Quote Savings. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You can go ahead and click on it, enter your zip code, and you'll be able to talk to roofing pros within an hour. They might even call you within 5 minutes. People will start giving you their quotes. So get your roof inspected regularly for sure. And then if you do need to get any sort of repair or complete project done, this is the absolute best place to go check out. Roof Quote Savings. Click the link, like this video. If you have any questions about roofing, feel free to write a comment below. I'd be happy to answer with any questions. I wish you guys the best of luck.